If your boots ain't muddy and your rifle ain't ready, you're missing out. It's small game season, y'all. Time to dust off those squirrel calls and polish up your rabbit and partridge taking skills. Nothing says fall like the sound of a crackling shot and the rustle of critters in the brush. Whether you're after rabbit, quail, or them sneaky little squirrels, today's the first day to get out there. Grab your gear, call up your hunting buddies, and hit the woods. Remember, the early bird gets the worm, but the early hunter gets the game. And don't forget to sport that orange and carry all you licenses. Safety ain't just a suggestion, it's a must. So what are y'all waiting for? The great outdoors are calling, and those critters ain't gonna catch themselves. Happy hunting and good luck out there. This is the Bushcraft Highway, hoping you have some great adventures and, who knows, maybe even bring home dinner. Yeehaw!